Hey guys, recently I made a post on Twitter where I just posted a website for when I just found an inspiration. So this is a website I just found for inspiration, and the post had got like viral. It had almost like 23,000 views in the past one day. So in this video, I'll be breaking down exactly what how this animation is created, so you can use it for inspiration for one of your projects. So basically the website is so this is a website. As you can see, when it comes to when you the first thing you notice in terms of visual hierarchy is the animation happening. So these are like 5 to 6 things to keep in mind. So the first thing is the 3D art, 3D card gallery. So it feels like so the first thing is it feels like a three-dimensional space instead of like sitting on a flat on the screen. So the second thing is the camera movement. So instead of moving the cards individually, it feels it feels like the camera is like flying through them. So the third thing I'd like to talk about is a perspective. So in terms of perspective, notice how the cards which are closer to us, which appears like much larger, and while the distance one it shrinks naturally. So the fourth thing is the depth of those animation. When it comes to depth, the foreground images move faster than the background images. That's an effect used, and it's called like parallax effect. So the fifth thing is the smooth motion. When it comes to smooth motion, there is like a interaction. We usually call it as a spring animation when it comes to developing this kind of animation and interaction in Framer. So the final thing is the infinite gallery. Like notice how it feels like endless, like new image keeps appearing without breaking the whole hero section. So and also you can see there is like consistent padding and spacing throughout the whole website. So this is just the hero section, and if you scroll through, we have like a sticky scroll animation happening here. And the third thing I really like about this section, mainly how the when you click on certain buttons, the animation happens smoothly, like the card animation. Mainly, I feel like they have used like fade in effects for this, and here they have taken the hero section and they have done those that animation which was in the hero section consistently on the fourth section of the website. Mainly here it has just has like a 3D effect, and there is no interaction or animations happening in this section. As you can see the 3D effects. So this is a pricing section, and finally this is the scroll section. This is the I think this is the final call to action section. So the key takeaway is like if you're building websites, so these are like 5 ideas that are worth stealing. So first thing is use fewer words in your website, and second thing is let motion explain the product or service you're offering, and the third thing is give every section one clear purpose. So as you can see, like every section has like one clear purpose. And the fifth thing is like make scrolling feel like a story instead of list of sections. So at the end, it's all about motion and animation using with intentions. So if you'd like me to break down more websites like this and even recreate these animations in Framer, that's exactly what I'm working on next. So I'm gonna see you in the next video.